Good man.
Good to see you. Thanks for coming.
Right.
So, you brought the monster out today.
Right, the 7 Series.
Yeah, man. 740 Li long wheelbase.
Right.
These cars kind of rare in Trinidad. You don't see a lot of these on the road.
You don't have too much.
Yeah?
Yeah.
I love the paint job. Tell us a little bit about what you did here now.
Well, it's a black base we use and like 120 grams flakes and above it.
Okay.
And basically no paint on it.
It's just flakes.
Just flakes.
Wow.
With about 2 layers clay.
It stands out.
Yeah.
Especially in the sun, it gives it a really nice finish. I love
Well, the sun really bring out the effect on the paint job.
Okay.
Sunlight.
So this is a 2008 BMW 740 Li.
Right.
Custom rims, V8 engine,
V8.
all the bells and whistles.
Working right up.
Nice. Nice. Tell me a little bit about the car. How long you've had it?
Well, we have it about 6 years now.
Okay.
It was originally blue.
Alright.
And this is the color the family choose, the wife.
So what made you choose the 7 Series?
Well, honestly, we were just looking for vehicles, and when we saw this was like mind-blowing, but the kind of features it have. The remote puts up everything out, all the mirrors, windows, sunroof.
Right.
You know, it have the features are really nice. Suction door, it have the net on the windows.
Yeah, the sunshades.
Yeah, the sunshades.
Doors.
So the outside features real nice compared to the inside, even better.
One of the things BMWs are known for, they advertise it as their slogan, the ultimate driving machine.
And the luxury, the ride, it's nothing compared to the ride. So
You
again,
put your foot down.
to move. Yeah.
And then on the inside, you're getting all the comfort and luxury.
Luxury.
Best of both worlds.
Telling you,
Any regrets owning a 7 Series?
never. The only thing now is to upgrade than you are.
The newer one?
Yeah.
Yeah, man. You have it. You have it. So, in terms of gas mileage, all these things, no worries?
Well, you know, the gas will be a little rough. But when you go into a vehicle like this, you have to be able to afford
Think
it.
about some
Yeah.
Yeah.
So you have to take all that into consideration, servicing, gas. Otherwise, don't step into the game.
Show me a little bit on the inside.
Yeah. Right, so the interior now, as you can see, you have the phone, you get the Bluetooth phone set, you get the remote start, well, which is very common these days.
Right.
You
Yeah, but back when this car came out, a lot of these features we're talking about here,
Yeah, it was.
couldn't find in any vehicle.
Yeah, but that was 2008, so
Wow.
it was great features back then. Even now, it's still good features. You have the phone, you have the cruise control, you have the sport mode, you have the shift, you can shift gears,
Right.
basic automatic.
Going to like a Tiptronic.
Yeah, right.
Yeah.
So,
And then iDrive basically controls everything in this car, right?
right?
And these have memory seats,
Everything, yeah.
and even the way you adjust the seats is a lot different from
Different,
most cars.
most vehicles.
You're not looking for it on the side.
Right, yeah. And everything, these seats can adjust, separate from the backrest,
Right.
everything right there.
Nice. I like it.
Memory. Plus the dashboard, anything wrong with the engine, it comes up on the dash. Yeah. Tire pressure loss, everything comes up.
Tire pressure.
Oil change,
Oil and
brakes, everything dealing with brakes, suspension, everything comes up.
So you could see like, okay, the car will actually tell you time for service,
Right.
for this or whatever.
And it even tell you like before in advance. Time coming soon, you know.
I like it.
So,
Still have your CD changer.
CD changer, everything. Old school, new school,
Well,
Bluetooth.
that 2008, so that's to be expected. But everything in here just seems premium. You know,
Well,
on the touch, soft
Yeah,
touch on the door.
it's a different material, I think, than
Most cars.
yeah.
The wood grain finish, everything. This was actually not the 2008, but back in 2002 when the BMW redesigned the car. This was actually the car that got me back into loving cars. I kind of put it aside when I went to school a little bit. You know, I wasn't too much up on it, but when I saw this car came out and the amount of technology that they put into this car, I was like, nope, I had to start paying attention again. Because in 2002 when they launched this design of the 7 Series, right? Nobody, not Cadillac, not Audi, Mercedes, nobody had, for example, the iDrive. Nobody had anything like that.
Okay.
and they're still leading in today's design, I think.
I mean, your ride is unbelievable. You already had to sit down in a 7 Series and show it ride compared to other high-end vehicles. I did that a few times and I thought about selling it a few times and I changed my mind.
Yeah. Well, you know what? We go for a ride.
Well,
Alright. And then of course when you're driving a 7 Series, it kind of makes a statement too, you know.
actually, it doesn't want to go in nothing else.
You're a car lover?
No.
Yourself a car lover?
No, before I just was like styling, but now I'm more like luxury.
You like the
I guess-
comfort features of cars?
Yeah, I guess that come with the age.
Maybe. Yeah, I can see that. You want to be comfortable while you drive.
Yeah.
You don't want the drive to tire you.
No. No more, yeah.
So you're on the road, you're driving, you're getting a little time for yourself.
Luxury.
Time to relax. So when you reach wherever it is you're going, you're
You're comfortable. Yeah.
Comfortable, energized. Yeah. I like that. That's a really nice way to put it.
Yeah.
Singh, 7 Series,
Top of the line.
top of the line, I like it. Thanks for coming out.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.